KoogluPooglu. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel, and today we are going to do some pencil toppers like so. So we are going to make one more design. So let's get started. For this we will need the following things: a red pen, a black sketch pen, a pencil for taking the sizes, a ruler, a pair of scissors, a round object, you can even use a compass, some glue, yellow colored sheet and a thin piece of cardboard. So first of all we will draw a circle from this yellow sheet. So I am using this bottle cap, you can use any other thing. And so now we will draw a circle. Here we have our circle. Now we will cut this circle off. So here is our yellow color circle. Now using the same cap, I will draw a circle on the cardboard. So and now I will cut it up. So here we go. Here we have a circle. Now we will take our yellow color sheet of paper and stick it over this. So here I am using some glue. We'll apply a good amount of it all over the edges, then a zigzag. And like spreading it a little bit and like so. Now I will take the yellow sheet and put it over the cardboard and then press it very carefully. Then with clean hands we will press it like so. We will let it dry for a while. So the emoji which we will make is one eye like this, other eye will be winking, give her some eyebrows like this and like this, and then we will color this red. So let's make it onto our actual emoji. So this is our emoji. So now I have drawn it with a pencil. So now we will do it with a black pen. So now I will use a red pen to color the heart. Here we go. So you can also leave it on this step, but I'm going to make a black border all around it. So for that I will take a rough sheet of paper so here is my sheet, and now I'm going to place it here and take a sketch pen, black sketch pen or Sharpie, and then just go all around it. I will try to keep all of its borders equal. So now I have done with this. So now I will let it dry for a couple of minutes, And if you see any kind of extra edges or somewhat like that, you can just snip it off. And now we will take a strip of yellow sheet and we will take our pencil on which we want to place it. I'm using this pencil. Now I place it on to the paper and twist it like this. I will make it a bit thick, so here we go. Now I will use some glue. Here we go. Very carefully we will just take it out of the pencil. So like this I have taken it out. Now using the scissors I will trim one of its ends to make it smooth like this, and one of its ends will be pressed like this, and I will apply a little bit of glue here and put my emoji straight onto it. So you can also skip this, but I'm applying a piece of clear tape on here just to secure my work. Apply some pieces so that this does not comes off. So it would look somewhat like this. Now you can put your pencil in it.
Thanks for watching, and also show your support by subscribing my channel and also following me on Facebook and Instagram. Bye bye.